Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about trading apps that let you make money without any upfront investment. No, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about smart strategies and tools that help you get started in the world of trading without spending a dime. Segment 1. Overview. Trading apps have become incredibly popular, and some of them give you a chance to earn money through various ways, whether it's trading stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets. But you may be asking, how can I make money with no investment? Well, there are apps that give you opportunities to earn rewards, practice trading, or even start with zero money. Segment 2. Trading apps with no investment. Let's dive into the apps that allow you to start trading with zero investment. 1. Robinhood. First up, we've got Robinhood. It's well known for offering commission-free stock and crypto trading. While you do need to fund your account to start trading for real, they offer a referral program where you can invite friends and earn free stocks for signing up. That means you could start with no money by just referring people and receiving free stocks. 2. Webull. Next is Webull, offering commission-free trading. They offer a bonus system where you get free stocks just by opening an account and making your first deposit. Some people start making money right from the get-go, without investing their own cash by earning those free stocks. Plus, they have demo accounts where you can practice without using real money. 3. Acorns. Acorns is a micro-investing app that rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests it for you. The best part? You can start with as little as $5, and if you're using their Found Money feature, you can earn small cash rewards when you shop at partner brands, kind of like making money while you spend. For Coinbase, for those interested in crypto, Coinbase is a great platform. They have a Learn and Earn program where you can watch educational videos about different cryptocurrencies and earn free crypto just by learning. So, no investment needed to start earning crypto. Segment 3. How to maximize earnings. Now, these apps are great, but how do you maximize your earnings? Well, one way is through the referral programs by getting friends to sign up. You can earn free stocks, bonuses, or even cash rewards. Another way is by utilizing demo accounts to practice trading before using real money. And if you're into crypto, take advantage of free crypto offers through education programs like those on Coinbase. Segment 4. Caution and risk. But remember, while these apps are a great way to get started with zero investment, all trading carries risks. Make sure to research, use demo accounts, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. These apps are tools. How you use them is up to you. Outro. That's it for today. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which app you're most excited to try. And as always, happy trading.